nice to see that, guys. Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I think I blinked out a little bit there. But it's fucking annoying me. Right, now I know how to do it. You alright, mother? How you doing, son? You alright? You love this job, don't we, mother? You pleased?
Well, you don't look promising.
Ah, that was good for me. It looks alright. this ain't biting, you know. Right guys, there we have it, son. Let's have that over there. I want to see if this fucker starts. Yep, they still work as well. Cable's back in there. That is it, right. Oh, fucking hell. Hang on a minute, guys. Jumping the gun here, mate. This one's got to go back on. Don't forget that. And that will turn over. Providing you get it all right, you know? And tight. one. That's one. This one is number 3. Now, I'm going to do petrol in it. Right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to see if that petrol's flammable. Yes, it's flammable. Yes guys, that is flammable. Do you know what that means? There's a fire because it's not stale petrol. Right. Let's have a look how you work this bad boy. Right, come over here son. Let's put all this stuff back together. We are now going to see how he works. You know what I mean? Might be just fine. Well, let me give it a little glance then. Alright. Right, what do you think? Right, you need your air filter. Oh shit, your air filter go inside that. Right. It doesn't take long. Ni hao. Ni hao. What do you think? Ni hao. I want to see if it fucking runs. There's no point doing loads of work to it if it doesn't run. That's it. Right, where's the primer on this son of a bitch? What's that for? Stop. Choke. Yes. She looks quite easy to run, guys. Yeah. It don't sound like there's any power in that. Right, he's got fire in it, so let's have a look in the same house. Right. Right. Let's have a look in the St. More Pacific. Oh, what's the matter with you, mate? Oh, what's the matter? You got your own camera? Oh, you're pissed. Fucking hell, mate. Anyone think you're gonna go to fucking jail, mate? You're going on camera. Look guys, my mum don't like being on camera. Don't ask me why, you should ask her. You should ask her why. You should ask her a question. Why don't you like being on camera then, Lil? Yeah? Everyone knows my mum, Lil.
Oh yeah, that's it, huh?
Huh? Ah, fucking hell, mate. I've never. Oh. Now I've got to fucking done it. Catchings are there. Huh? Right. Right then. Press that too far. What does it do that? Right guys, we've got loads of petrol coming out of here for some reason. And we need to know the reason why. Right. In order to find out why. You meant to take that apart there then, right? Ah. Ah, right.
Ready?
Right.
Yeah,
Guys,
yeah.
this is what we've got to do. Right. Now, here is what we've got to do. Take that off. That nice, beautiful casing that you see. Gonna come out because it's hot. Fucking thing. Right. And now you're meant to get that in there then. Right. Sunny Jim. I'm just trying to cut corners a little bit. And I should be in there. I think this is a shit design, this is. Fucking crap. Fucking rubbish design. We invented that to be shot. Oh, right, very good. Now this is a bag. This is a bag. It's got all my chainsaw stuff in it. Right. Yeah. Do it that way. And use a drill and use your fucking thing. Right. Oh, I'm getting the disc cutter running. Oh, fucking me. Oh, for fuck's sake, there's more fucking screws to the shitty thing. Ah, don't be ashamed. It's not a criminal offence to go on YouTube. I love YouTube, I think it's good. Especially when you climb up fucking mountains and that's another glory. Oh, that's an airport there, look. Right, there we have it, guys. That's an airport, look. There's Berkeley Mount. I'll attach my mum to that airport, she might be alright afterwards. Well, fuck that. Oh, this is getting on my fucking nerves, mate, you know what I mean? We'll get there in the end. I'll tap through the pulley.
No.
Yeah, mate, the pulley's fucking yank moose. Right, I don't like Makita. I think they're fucking shit design. But I will get it going, that's the problem. I will. Get the little bits going. Okay, now look at all that in there. Isn't it jank?
Yeah.
Anyway guys, I'm going to let you go on this video and I'm going to wrap you up on the next video very shortly. Don't go anywhere because I will be back. I just got a little few things to do. Have a good day and keep watching.